No hot water? Got a blocked drain? Leaking tap keeping you up all night? Sounds like a job for Caesars Plumbing and Gas. As Perth's longest established plumbing and gas centre, you can count on Caesars for all your domestic and commercial plumbing and gas needs. We've been providing professional services across Perth and throughout the Peel District since 1930. Our team of fully qualified plumbers, drainers and gas fitters are able to solve all types of problems, from hot water and toilet repairs to fixing blocked drains and tending to commercial maintenance needs. We are long-standing members of the Master Plumbers Association and are proud to have been contracted to the state government for over 30 years. We also understand that when disaster strikes, you want immediate attention. That's why we provide a 24-hour emergency service, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Each of our service vehicles is equipped with the latest gear and a large range of spare parts to ensure your problem can be resolved quickly and efficiently. For general plumbing problems, blocked sewers, gas installations and hot water servicing and repairs, contact Caesars Plumbing and Gas, the professional plumbing people.